Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're about to try Little Caesars Crazy Puffs. Check it out. All right, guys. So Little Caesars Crazy Puffs. I'm about to unbox and see what's going on. See what's inside. See how it's looking. There's been a lot of hype about it, so I'm gonna find out if it's real or not. All right. All right. Smelling good. So these are like muffins or cupcakes, a little bit greasy so far, but I don't mind. It's pizza, I expect that. So this is how they're looking. All right, guys, I'm about to bite into it, see what we're working with. And by the way, this one is pepperoni. This is the last one they had, by the way, so I was like, you know what, let me get it. First time trying. Oh, that's a lot of grease. Shit. Look. Look. A little chewy. I'm not sure if this is like super fresh, guys, because this is the last one they had, but based on what I'm tasting right now, it's a little bit chewy, The cheese is pretty good. The pizza sauce is not really thick. It's like watery, greasy, Wow, so the flavor is good, I'm tasting the garlic, the parmesan, and the parsley herbs on top, all that good stuff. Let's see how many pepperoni comes inside. Damn, this shit is greasy. Look, wow, it's not good. Anyways, so we have two thin slices of pepperoni. And like I said, the inside, you don't really get a lot of pizza sauce on the inside. It's like super thin. They stingy with it right now. I don't know what's going on, but so far it's not what I was expecting. Wow, not good, guys. Flavor-wise, I'll say about a 7.5 flavor-wise. Freshness, maybe a 5. 4 or 5. Okay, this is not fresh. I don't know how long they had it in their little food warmer or whatever they call it, but yeah, this ain't all that. The dough is chewy. It's like overcooked, overbaked. The cheese is good. Cheese is good. The sauce, no sauce at all. It's basically like a little, like they added a little splash of tomato sauce to it and water, I guess. I don't know, but it's not all that. So overall, I'll probably give the pizza puff, maybe a 6 overall. Their pepperoni pizza is way better. This is, I don't see what the hype is all about, but I mean, I guess you get what you pay for, right? $3.99, $4.27 with tax and all that good stuff. But yeah, I mean, I'll try it again to see, if the fresher ones are better, but this is not it. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's my honest take on the Little Caesar Crazy Puffs. All right, so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.